Hi, good evening MMM community. Ako nga pala si Paul from Dasmariñas, Cavite and also an active member of MMM Global Philippines. Nag-provide help ako amounting to 11,000 pesos noong August 24, 2015. And last August 28, 2015, nag-get help ako amounting to 12,100 pesos. And nagpapasalamat ako sa mga following participant na nag-provide sa akin ng assistance. 6,800 pesos galing kay Mr. Nelmar, 2,400 from Bernardo, 2,900 from Sander. And thank you to these following participants for providing me assistance. And thank you to all the active member, participants, and managers of MMM community. And also thanks to Mr. Sergi Mabrodi, the MMM founder. Together, we can change the world.